Welcome to El Moro Pigeon Show. I am your host, El Moro. Today I'm shipping some birds to New York, New Jersey, to my friend Omar Colon. Okay, he's got really good birds and he liked the Spanish powder, so I'm shipping 4 birds to him. Man, do I have a story for you because it's very hard to ship these birds. So I'm going to tell you the whole story when I'm driving, okay? Because right now I got to catch these birds, all right? The first couple is this couple right here. All right, look at them. They're already married. Look at this. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Oh, the babies are gonna come out of there, man. Anyway, so I'm gonna take the female. Because I have my camera or phone in the other hand. All right. I'm gonna put it right here, all of them by themselves. Then I'm gonna get the male now. The cock is a nice cock, man. That cock gave me one of my 2 birds hands, the best hands. Yeah, come here, man. See, this cage is so big. Oh. All right. All right. This is a beautiful couple. This guy gave me my 2 hands. One of my 2 best hands that fly a lot and it's got a big power. They're looking like boas in the air, let me tell you. They're looking like cocks in the air. All right. See, this one already got a pout on her, see? And him too. The babies out of there is going to be beautiful. Beautiful. All right, now I got to get the other one. So, okay, give me a minute here because I'm going in the loft, so I got to cover my mouth. Yeah, listen, never go in the loft without your mouth covered, okay? All right, where are these guys? So, there he is. Let me see if I can catch him. Hopefully he goes inside his coop. Good. Come here. Look at my baby right there. That's been deceived. Oh my gosh, what are you doing in there? Hold up, come here. Come here. Get out of there. Get out. Yeah. This is the one I bought yesterday. I bought that bird yesterday. Okay. All right, where you go? Come here, man. Hold up. All right, come here. So this guy right here, you gotta see his girl. And you know the hens are so tame, man. It's like they're really nice because they're very tame. They let you grab them and stuff like that. Okay, so that's the cock. Now I'm gonna get the hen. Is the hen right there? See, they're so tame. See, look at her. Come here, mommy. Come on. Yeah. Hold up. Okay. Beautiful color. The white stripe. That's the couple right there. That's the couple. Oh, they'll get used to it. This happens in the beginning sometimes. Sometimes they don't get pair up right away. Yeah. The cock started beating out the girl. The girl said, "You're gonna hit me like that? Who you think you are?" Yeah, they'll be all right. They'll be all right. Okay, so listen, let me turn this off, and I'm gonna tell you the whole story while I'm driving. Okay, about shipping these birds, because I had no idea, man, about shipping birds, because I only sold locally. But now that I'm starting to sell and ship birds, it was not easy, you know. So I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you when I'm driving. Okay, so here's what happened. My friend Omar Colon from New York, he wanted some Spanish powders, right? Okay, so I got 2 couples. I got 2 pairs for him. So I went to the post office, and the lady told me I needed a box, but it's Memorial Day, so better bring him on Tuesday. So I went to look for a box in my town everywhere. Couldn't find one, because it has to be a certified box. So I called my friend Abraham from Port St. Lucie, because he always shipping birds. He say, I think he said Petco. Go to Petco, go to PetSmart. So I went to these pet stores, man. It's like the stores over here is not like the stores over there where Abraham lived. It's like in the big cities you can get it, but over here, man, it's like a lot of rednecks for the most part, you know. And it's like, I mean, I got nothing against rednecks, guy, but what I'm talking about is it's very country-like, and we don't have a lot of stuff. So I went into this PetSmart or Petco. I'm looking at the GPS, and I said to the lady, "Excuse me, I'm looking for a box pigeons." The lady said, "A box? We don't have any box to ship pigeons." I said, no, it's a special box. Well, let me ask my manager. She said, right, okay. So the manager come back. Hi there. How can I help you? I'm like, I'm looking for a box to ship pigeons. Oh, well, I have a cardboard box back there. And I said, no, ma'am, no. It's got to be a special box. Really, your store has it. Because my friend tells me that he gets it over there in his city. But over here, we only have this. I have a cardboard box I can give you. I say, no. Okay, I say, thank you. So then, rather than driving everywhere, I'm calling all these people. Same thing. Every time I call, it's only like 2 or 3 stores in my town. Every time I call, never heard about that. So, okay. So I said, well, let me go online. So I go online, and I order one. It says it won't be there until the 12th of September. I say, no, not until the 12th of September, because if it gets cold over there, that's another thing. If it gets cold and it's not the same temperature, they don't melt the pigeons. It's got to be now, you know? So I call my friend Alejandro He's a mailman and he has pigeons, but he lives about 45 minutes away from me, depending on traffic. 41 minutes, 45 minutes. And he said to me, oh, well, it's a Cuban guy, you know? I'll do it for you. I have boxes, and you can bring the birds. I keep them in my house. Then I ship them on Tuesday. hallelujah. Because, man, I couldn't find a box. The closest box that I could get was on the 12th of September. Y'all gotta excuse me, man, but I'm driving and talking at the same time. It's kind of traffic, you know. So I'm on my way right now. Okay, I got the pictures back here. But since I have a pigeon rescue, this lady called me to rescue this bird. Send me the picture of it. Wait a minute. Whoa, I gotta get out here. Whoa. Okay, hold up. Oh. Hold up. Okay. So, this lady called me to rescue this bird, right? So, I'm on my way right now to rescue this bird. It's a pigeon. And she sent me a picture. It's a homing pigeon. And it's been right there. Whoa. Can you turn on ready? Yeah. Yep. Anyway, so I forgot what I was saying. But anyway, I gotta go get this pigeon. It's a homing pigeon, so I gotta go catch him. It's been on the ground for a long time. It's not moving. So I'll bring some food right here, and see if I can catch her. You know, if I can catch her, then I put it here, and then I go to Alejandro Pico. I'm gonna record Alejandro Pico's loft, bro. This guy has a lot of pigeons. I think he's got about 300 buchones. 300 buchones. His buchones are really good. So, yeah, y'all in for a treat. And he also sells buchones. See, he's a mailman, so he knows about that. Man, I gotta be alert over here. Okay, I'll tell you what. I'll hook it back up when I get over there to get that pigeon, see if I can get it. So, let's see if I got the smarts to get this bird, because it's a homing pigeon and it's out in a swimming pool. I'm sure she's gonna eat because she's hungry. All right, I'll hook it back up, okay? All right, see you.
That you have there in your hand?
Okay, yeah, this is a pigeon food. Well, we came here, but the bird left. Tina?
Tina.
She saw her over there, and she left. It was a homing pigeon. Okay, so what happens with the homing pigeons, they let them go from very far away. This one, maybe they let them go from Arcadia, and then that's pretty far from here. And then they got tired. They saw the water, because the swimming pool is right there.
Yeah.
They saw the water. She came down, you know. She rested a little bit, and then she went back. She's probably in her loft already, you know. So, all right. So, back in route with my journey.
Okay. Well, if we...
Alejandro!
Coño, ¿qué pasó? Me cogiste aquí recogiendo
What's up, brother?
¿Cómo estamos, yo?
Aquí, que habla inglés porque la gente...
Oh, yeah. I was speaking
Wow,
all
man,
the garbage.
that's all the food for you, bro?
Oh, so the food maybe...
My God.
Yep. I got like five or six. I got like 5 or 6, like 5 or 6 of this, like every 4 weeks, 3 or 4 weeks. Yep.
5 or 6?
Look at that.
Wow. Hey, let me ask you something, man.
Yeah.
How many birds you got?
I don't know. I got a here.
Look, check this out, guys. And you sell birds, right?
Yeah. I got this here. They're all my breeding,
Breeders.
Some slay, like ¿cómo tú le llamas eso? Slay, like cuando tú le pones, no, slay, que le arrean los huevos, arreadores.
Oh, I don't know how to say that in English.
Slay.
I don't know how to say that in English.
They call it slay,
Oh,
like
slave?
esclavo.
Oh,
Like esclavo.
slave.
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 Like esclavo en español, they're
Yeah,
so
the
like
babies,
you know,
yeah. Okay.
the baby.
Yeah.
But this
But guys, look at this.
so
If you
right
guys,
here,
okay, bro, listen. I want a female, a hen. I want to buy a hen from you today.
no, you know what
I need it. No, I need it.
I know.
I need a hen. I guess.
This one you're looking for, and we're gonna put the fly. You know, we're gonna put the fly, the one you're looking for.
Oh, Man, that's my favorite bird right there, man. Check this out. Check this out.
He's moving, so he's gonna fly.
Yeah, he's molting.
He's molting.
Wait. You gonna let him go from where?
I put it inside here.
And you let him go from over there?
Yeah, from here.
Man, I love this bird, man.
Wait, get over here.
No, from there?
See, I gotta put it.
No, but I want to see him.
I gotta put it first and take it out. This one, this is away. You see?
Yeah, but you gonna let him fly?
I let it fly outside. You see every box right here? Right. This one is the one who was flying before him.
Suéltalo.
I let it go now. 1 second.
Oye, se parece a las azulitas mías, compadre. Las azulitas mías son así. Igual, oye, wow. Tú tienes que ver las mías azulitas en el aire.
Bueno,
Bro.
yo lo he visto.
No, tú tienes que ver las mías azulitas en el aire, bro. Tienen un tanque. Coño, pero ese palomo no estaba más grande. I thought it was like bigger power, man.
Porque está, he's flying alone.
No, I know, but still.
If I let it go, another one.
Yeah. Let go a hand. Now, he really got about 200 birds, okay? 300 birds. It's got a lot of pigeons. Look at him. Wow.
I guess it's morning.
Hey, you gotta come to my house, see my birds, bro. Cause I came here. How many times I've been here already?
Like 4 times.
So you gotta come to my house, man. You gotta come to my house, see my birds. Oh, I like that bird, man.
He's not flying really good, bro. He's small.
Yeah. No. No, que también hay calor, bro.
But he's,
No, tú tienes que ver yo no sé. When I saw him there, that day, cuando yo lo vi, estaba mato.
yeah, he's like that. He is moving.
Yeah, it's molting. Oye, well, come here. Let's see his birds, man.
Aquí tengo, mira, look.
All right, so listen, wait. Let me explain. No, wait. Let me explain. So Alejandro, he is a mailman, okay? He's a mailman, and he's gonna help me to release to take the birds to New York. Right, so I'm giving them.
I'm gonna go to the post office and ship it to New York. And this is the boxes we're gonna use. You see, these boxes, they are special boxes. They got a hole here, and they got a like screen here, so the dogs don't go outside. So, and they are proving US approval number 1, Lightbird. So they go like this. You know, they going like this. This is it. You see? They going like this. This first. Hold this part first. They go like this. Okay, here we go. Go like this, you see? Go inside. This one goes first. Go over here. Go over here. And the bottom. That's it. This one is the whole boxes. The whole boxes, they are expensive to send because they are way too high. You see, and then if you only gonna send two pigeon, you gotta cut it like this. You know, cut the top. You see how I cut the top?
Yeah.
You just put in the top and the bottom and tape it. Use this kind of tape. See, I got it somewhere. Use this kind of tape, you know. It's you see, Priority Express mail.
Okay.
You hear?
Yeah.
See, this is stock. Se pega. It's stock really good.
All right.
So that's why we want to use this. This you can send 3 pigeon right here. You see, they're gonna be close. You can send 3 pigeon, or if you're gonna send 2, you just go like this. You know?
Oh, cool.
Just go like this. One.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, so it's 2. Yeah, but these guys are married already, so you can put them there together.
It's not good.
Huh?
It's not, even if they're married, it's not good because they're gonna be alone and in a tight place.
Okay.
In a tight place, so they don't want to see. They're gonna bite each other. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So you can put it like that, you know. There's not gonna be, you know.
No,
But the best way,
you do it like you know what you're doing.
The best way is to go alone, you know. So you're not gonna have any trouble. And they got plenty of space. Just put it this between this, and then one go over here, one go over there. We got it. You know, we got it. So this I will make 3.
Okay, good, man. Thank you, man. Thank you.
The way those boxes, if you go
to a pet shop, you don't, right? The pet shop.
The pet shop, I think they got it $25 or something.
Yeah, but that's the Cuban pet shop, because over there, the American pet shop, they don't know nothing about those boxes. They don't know.
Okay.
I ask, and they're like, no, we don't know nothing about diet.
If you go to the post office, they're gonna say no. They don't know nothing because the post office don't sell that.
Yo estoy hablando como me hablaron ellos, porque son como con el acento de country. You know, so I went over there and I asked them, no, we don't know nothing about them boxes.
Mira. This is you know, the paper. Okay. The paper, you got it. Write it down. You see? This is one of the last one I sent.
Wow, see, the creator hooked me up, okay? Because there's no way. Look at this. This man have everything. He ships a lot of birds, and I'm gonna show you his
all
birds.
the shipping.
So
Look at all the shipping I'm making.
Wow.
Look at all the shipping. Let's open it over here. This is used to be different way. They got it. They got the address and everything. This one. Let's go this one. What year is that? 17.
Wow. Yeah, see,
Let's go. They went to Wisconsin. That's a friend of mine from China. It's a friend of mine. So see another one. This one go to California, Collazo. I see another one over here. This one go to California, Collazo either. No, that was Georgia. That was Georgia. And then right here, you see Gonzales in Jacksonville.
Okay. All right.
So,
that's oh wow.
That's a lot.
That's you got a lot of experience on this, so you know every time I'm gonna mail a bird, I'm gonna come to you, man. Man, look at these birds right here. Listen, oye, de verdad, I need a male, man, a hen, con más o menos con poco ocho. I'll buy it from you, man.
I know.
What was that?
Look at he's got the bird. Look, you hear that?
Yeah.
You see?
Okay, go ahead.
I'm about to see. So see, right here is drop. You know, the first pigeon go to activate, and then the second pigeon when it touch here,
it goes down.
you see, go down.
Yeah.
It's so simple. So the pigeon is inside, and the other pigeon is outside. He go outside, back, clock and then doesn't go down. If it go inside again, then go inside, open the box. As soon as it got right here, as soon as the other bird come, you see the first bird trap there. The first bird activate the trap. Let's say right here, first bird. Now this trap, you see, this trap, the bird is outside. The bird come, hit this side, so go inside, and the second bird touch here, poof.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, that's how they do it.
One day I'm gonna spray.
Hey, I think you can get that only here in Florida, man.
No, they ship it to another place.
Yeah, I know, but that's a Cuban thing.
They ship it. It's one guy building those.
Yeah.
They ship it, you know, like eso or you open inside.
Where are you gonna put this bird?
Oh, it's over here.
Look all these birds. Let me show you all these birds. These are all buchones. Eso te parece de Cristóbal.
No. That's our own female.
Man, this bird is beautiful.
They are female. And this, the 3 female too. But they're all moving, you see. All.
I need one for my Marroquí.
Mira, estos son todos, ¿sí? These ones put in there. You see? This one.
Ese es hembra.
Hembra, sí.
Véndeme eso.
No.
Vamos. No, el marroquí mío, eso, wow. That would give beautiful
Esa
birds.
es la papayuga. Esta tiene como 8 años, 8 o 9 años.
Ah,
Esa es
sí.
hija de este.
Ok.
Esa es hija de este. Esa tiene como 8 o 9 años.
Do you have a buyer like that one right there? No, no. That's like a plata, no? Silver?
Esa pichoncita.
Sí, se ve.
Esa pichoncita. Esta igual, mira. Esta a lo mejor te da otra mano. Esta es un pichoncito.
Iguala. Aquí.
Sí, vamos a soltarle uno. Esta abuela aquí, el pichón solo. Dame ya. Esta bella la palomita esta.
Yeah, it's nice.
Pecho, tengo que ponerle, darle un macho para ver la meta. Pues si no. I know this, my friend.
All right,
Hello,
we're going to get this ready so you can see how the trap works, okay? Let me turn it off. Now hook you back up. Okay, so watch how it works. All right, see? She goes in. She didn't go in. She didn't go in. She should have closed up the. Okay, there she goes. Watch. Okay, see, he go in and out. Nothing happens, right? He's trying to. This is what thief powders do. He's going in and out. He's trying to bring her to go in, but she went inside the loft. Sí, ve por ahí, sácala. ¿Verdad? Okay, watch. See, the thing is that, okay, see, watch. I'm going to tell you the way it works. If she goes in, I hope she goes in so you guys can see it. Okay, now she go in, boom, you see that? That's it. Now, I don't like traps, okay? This is why. Oh, and him and me will always argue. This is why, okay? That capture right there is not appointed to the pigeon, to the boy. You know why? Because she wasn't even in the box. You understand? She wasn't inside the box. When that closes, she's inside the trap and not inside the box. The way I do it is I don't put a trap. That way the bird goes inside the box. And that's how you catch it. To the box. But that's how I do. But he doesn't agree. Him and me, we argue a lot.
Don't make any point, you know? You can make any point. You can stay all day. You know, how are you gonna trap you're gonna run and close that? How are you gonna do it, you know?
See, I'm not gonna argue. But anyway, so that's what happens. Oh, hey, wow, that one is nice, man. What's up? Does it fly here?
No.
He's got a lot of beautiful powders here, man. Look at his baby right here. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, wow. All right, so you see, that's the bird that went in. That's the bird that went in, see? He already inside. Okay, so she catched him already. That's what thief powders do. All right. Suelta ese. Sí, suelta. How about the El Negro Empedrado? That one right there.
No, that's an old field. All this is an
let
old
it
field. My breeder.
He doesn't fly here?
Él fly aquí, pero no, yo no lo suelto mucho. Él lo, ¿sabes? Eso no lo suelto nunca.
Suelta a la vez, brother.
No va a hacer nada. Él no, ¿me entiendes? Él va a volar y va a ver, pero no,
Let me see.
no va a hacer nada. Porque es que,
This is one of his old breeders.
mira, esta a lo mejor te va a gustar. Mira.
Go ahead. That's a hen. No, que linda. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I like that bird. These are all Spanish powders, guys. We're in Cape Coral. Cape Coral is like the city for Spanish powders. Beautiful colors. Beautiful colors, man.
You see, all this one, they got like 3 months. But they only fly here.
No.
They only fly
Eh?
here, so they're gonna stay here. If I let this one go, they're gonna go down, you know, because
Yeah.
they get used to here.
Yeah.
They don't wanna go. This one, they never go down. They always stay here. You will see on the roof or the other roof. But this one, they got like 5 months in there, on the bottom, looking. So that's why they go down to the floor.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying? So those pigeons here, if I let it go, they don't want to go like this one. This one, they go on top of that. They're gonna go down. They never touch that roof. You see this one?
Yeah.
They all come over here. They
Yeah.
all touch the roof. You see?
Yeah, nice, man. And you know what? It's very hot.
Yeah.
¿Cuál es ese? Ese palomo. Como un azul, ¿no? Which bird is that? That's a nice bird, man.
¿Sabes los pichoncitos? Todo eso yo le
Yeah, these are all youngsters. These are all youngsters.
Los más chiquitos. Estos tienen como 5 o 6 metros. El único que se tira ahí es el negro y blanco. Ese sí va para allá. Pero los demás están acostumbrados aquí. So they're gonna stay here. They got more inside here. You want to see those fly too?
Yeah, if you want to.
You see, they all go over there, you see. Ellos no van a ir a ningún lado. Ellos nomás se tiran ahí, ellos no van aquí. Pero estos sí se tiran aquí abajo.
All right.
Pero hace mucho calor, cara.
Yeah, it's very hot here in Florida for the birds to be flying, man. That blue bar right there.
Aquí hay una que tiene.
Ese es el azul. Ese es el azul.
Sí.
Yeah, pero cuando lo vi aquella vez tenía más buche, chico.
No, ese no es el azul.
Oh, let him go, let him go.
No, el azul no. No va a volar ahora. ¿No viste cómo está todo sofocado? ¿No viste que entró rápido?
Yeah.
Entró la palomita.
Yeah. Nah, it's too hot, man.
Acá adelante, creo. No sé dónde está. No, este es el pinto.
No, it's over there.
No, ahí está otro.
No, the blue one that you let go first.
¿Está ahí? No está ahí.
He brought the girl in the box over there.
¿Aquí?
See?
Ah, sí, está aquí. ¿Está aquí?
Yeah. You gonna let him go?
Pero él no va a hacer mucho ahí. Con todo el reguero ese que hay ahí, no. Sale de todo.
Palomita está linda, ¿verdad?
Pero esta gente está todo sofocado.
Yeah, calor, bro. It's very hot. Florida is very hot and humid. See, I'm sweating right now. He got two lofts. He's got this loft. He got the other loft. ¿Qué sembrita abuela aquí? Cógemela ahí a ver. Alejandro, get that hand right there for me. That, la que tiene buche. That one. On top. That one right there. I want to see her. No, you told me it was the other one. Nah, never mind. Let it go out. It's that one right there. I think he's gonna come back fast.
Estas se tiran todas ahí, pero las allá no se tiran.
Yeah, but that's good, man. That's really good.
Es lo que tú la acostumbres, ¿me entiendes?
Yeah.
Y estas no se van a, nunca van a ir para allá. Estas nunca van a ir para allá.
Look at that splash bird. We call that pinto. It's beautiful.
Ese petico sí va para allá. Porque es ahí. Que tú querías que lo soltara. Ese es viejo, un palomo viejo.
Sí.
Él vuela, pero no.
Oh, voló. It's nice, man. Ese es humado. ¿Tú le dices humado?
Sí, es como malo. Cuando es empedrado, así oscuro, así.
Sí, yo digo negro empedrado. O negro.
¿Quieres traer un agua?
These are all buchones. All right, guys. Hey, so look, I've been at this the whole day. I gotta go home. I gotta go to my house. This is Alejandro El Pico, okay? And I'm gonna give you his phone number and information, all that, because he sells birds. He's now when the time comes or he put all the birds together, he's gonna have a lot of babies. So if you guys want to order some buchones from him, you want to order from me, you're more than welcome to call us, okay? Because I know out there, man, there is not buchones, there is not Spanish powders, there's no thief powders like New York, Tennessee. There's a lot of, for what they telling me. For what they telling me, like my friend Tony, he told me that, there's no powders there. My friend Omar Colon, he told me that there's no birds, there's no buchones over there. So we got a lot over here in Florida. So if you guys want to order something from us, man, we got the best, all right? I got 6. I'm looking for a good hen. But once I find a good hen, I'm going to have 6 pairs. That's going to give me really, really good Spanish powders, all right? All right, so, hey, we got to have some fun, man. So I got Alejandro. I got Alejandro to do what I do. So listen, we're going to do it at the same time. You go that way, okay? And, okay, listen, subscribe, please, and comment. And when I see you subscribe, I'll subscribe to yours. And I subscribe to a lot of channels that's got pictures. All right, man. Hey, listen. You guys have a blessed day.